brave. How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 Time stands still, beauty and all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 One step closer. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000
Surprise! Annyeonghaseyo! Magandang pinsan na nandito! Happy wedding day! Ate Joy and Kuya Jerome. Mabuhay! Okay, happy wedding day po at good luck po. Congrats Ate Joy and Kuya Jerome. Sana po lagi po kayong masaya dyan. Lagi po kayong mag-iingat. At sana po yung mga handa pong nandyan, padala niyo na po dito. Salamat po.
Congrats! I hope for your happiness and may God grant all your wishes.
Hello Kuya Jerome and Ate Joy. Happy wedding sa inyo. Best wishes. Congrats. Sana ngayong kasal na kayo maging masaya yung pagkasama nyo. Maging healthy yung relationship nyo. At gawin nyo sana si Lord yung center ng pagkasama nyo. Huwag sana kayo mag-aaway. At sana bigyan nyo ng pamangkin. Madami Ayun, stay healthy dyan. Mag-iingat din kayo dyan. Ayun, love you. Ingat kayo palagi. Ingat po.
Kuya Jerome and Ate Joy. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Best wishes sa inyo. Happy wedding. Good luck sa relationship. Best wishes po ulit.
Didn't have a clue. And then out of the blue,
Congratulations and best wishes. I love you. Congrats sa inyong dalawa.
and there's more to life than just how I
Happy
feel.
wishes sa inyong dalawa. Sana
And all that I'm worth is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do.
Hello, Jerome. Kumusta ka dyan?
God give me you.
Tuloy na ba ang pagpapakasal mo? Naharap ka na talaga sa may responsibilidad.
Warm
Kailangan
myself
ay pag-seryoso mo na sa buhay mo. Nang magkaroon ng magandang
for
buhay.
every glass I saw.
Sa pagpapamilya, hindi ikaw ang biro.
Never
Sa pananagutan niya na hindi na pwede niya ayawan.
my soul.
Sana maging masaya ka.
Every doubt I had, I'm finally
Gayang bati
free.
sa inyong kasal.
And I truly believe God gave me you to show me what's real. And there's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I'm worth is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why,
Joy.
now I do.
Happy wedding sa inyong dalawa. Best wishes and good luck sa bagong ito ng buhay.
In your
Ingat kayo and God bless.
every tender kiss from you. Oh, must confess, I've been blessed. God gave me you to show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel. And now that I'm worth is right before my eyes. And now that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. God gave me you.
Hi, Beth! Congratulations! I'm happy for you. Finally, na-meet mo na din siya. Sana sa susunod na pag-uwi mo, nakabakasyon din ako para ma-meet ko si Jerome. I miss you. I love you.
Hello, Joy Angel. Congrats. Happy wedding day. Oh, tingnan nyo, Japan, Japan. Enjoy your day. God bless. Always take care. Gawa kayo kagad ng baby. Maraming. Bigyan nyo ako sa enjoy your party. Bye-bye. Love you. Miss you, Joy.
First and foremost, congratulations to both of you. I know my story, you know my story, and I'm so happy that you are married now. Welcome to the club. Always take care. God bless. And see you soon. Bye-bye.
Hello, guys! So, congratulations. We are now husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Jimenez. Joy So happy for you, bakla. Ayan na, dumating na talaga si Mr. Right mo. Kasal ka na. Tapos na lahat ng mga paghihirap mo. You know, after all the trials and all the heartaches in the past, and dumating na talaga si Mr. Right. Dumating na talaga si Jerome. At pinatunayan na, kung gano'n ka na at pinakasalan ka. Jerome, thank you so much for taking care of my friend. Thank you so much for loving her unconditionally, for bringing your relationship into a more mature level. Maraming salamat sa'yo. You know, guys, this is the beginning of your journey as a husband and wife. So, sana mas maging matibay kayo, mas maging matatag kayo. Walang susuko, kapit lang best.
Happy wedding, Sister Joy. Love you.
Thank you.
Joy, hindi na namin makita ang kasal mo. Kaya mag-wish na lang kami sa'yo na sana ay maging masaya ang kasal. Buhay. Sana masaya sa kayo dyan. Kayo na magaganda at gabong anak. Sige, best na lang namin. Best wishes. Kasi hindi na namin kayo makikasal. Si Anika.
Ate Joy, congrats po, Mommy, Daddy. You wish all the best. Hi, Ate Joy, Kuya Jer. Happy wedding po. Wish you all the best. I love you.
Congrats, Ate Joy and Kuya Jer. Wishing you a lifetime of love and happiness sa mahal-mahal.
Jerome, Joy, congratulations. Best wishes. Sabi ko lang sa inyong dalawa bilang mag-asawa ay biro. Laging magbibigayan ang bawat isa sa inyo. Kahit alam kami sa tabi niyo dyan, kami ng papa mo, nandyan naman ang pangalawang magulang mo, Ninang Tek, Ninang Bong. Tandaan mo, mahal ka namin, mga kapatid mo. Papa, ayaw mo magpapapicture na iiyak. Mga dumalo sa pinakamahalagang Joy at Jerome, maraming salamat. I love you.
Joy, Jerome, congrats. Sana maligaya kayo sa araw ng inyong kasal. Sana mamahalin mo si Joy kasi pagpapasensyahan mo sa kanyang kakulitan. Sana kahit wala kami dyan, hindi mo kami makarating ni mama dyan, ay maligaya kayo. Maligaya naman kami dito kahit na hindi kami makarating sa inyong kasal. At lagi sana kayong mag-iingat dyan. I miss you. Okay na.